Okay. Hey YouTube, how are you? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I have done a little flip through before I finished. Actually, let me do the flip through, I think, of this one because I have not showed you this one yet. Sorry, I have a whole mess going here. I am trying to use this little stand camcorder, whatever thing, for the first time. We'll see how it works out. So this is obviously more of a desserts thing. It is the Dollar Tree photo album, and I thought with Mother's Day coming up, how cute would it be to like make one of these and give it to your mom, like I said I did for Christmas. You just give it to them and ask them to put some recipes, or you give it to your kid after you put some recipes in it. So right here I just tied some ribbon. I'm gonna try not to hit it. And so when you take the pen off, like the ribbon is still attached, and then, or the pen lid, and then you just put it back in there. So I just put some cardstock and everything in here. Again, this is the first time I'm using this tripod thing, so we're gonna see how it works. So this is just the recipe, and then I have the cards right here. So this is what the back of it looks like. You take it out and it says directions and serves. And this is the front. I got these, I believe they were 50 of them for $10 on Amazon. So these are the little recipe books. There's really nothing up there. This is another recipe. I just want to get to like one of the kind of, I guess, sections. Let me show you. So then you get to, okay, so then like here is one of the sections, and so you can write like appetizers, dinners, whatever you want, or just write little memos to them, or you can even put in like how many cups equals how many teaspoons, whatever, and just on all the different little sections that are in here. I'm trying to find the next one. Sorry guys, I'm like doing the thing backwards because I'm not used to using this. Okay, so here's another section. So then you could just write little notes in there. So this is one of them. And again, I just tied a ribbon on the top and put the pen. And then I had showed you all this one before I had finished it. Excuse my dogs in the background. And so this one right here, I just took some ribbon and that says Our Family. And on this one, I did not tie the ribbon around it because it is a clicky pen, but it just clips right in here. Of course, it's not going to right now. Anyways, it really does clip in here. I just don't want to knock over my camera because it took me a long time to get it here. But it clips in there, or it clips wherever. So anyways, let me just show you. So these are the recipe cards that I got with this, and they are beautiful. They were also like 50 for $10. And let me show you. So this is what the front looks like, obviously. I did get them on Amazon. And then this is what the back looks like. So you just take the little recipe card out the side right here. It's really not that difficult if you're not trying to video it. And then you just take it out and then write on it, and then you slide it back in. So again, here is another section that I made so you can write little tidbits on there. I'm not going to do the full flip through because you guys have seen this one, but just like, let me see the next section. So here's another one that says like secret recipe. And then when I tied the ribbon, I just kind of went halfway through, and how cute. It just like Our Family right in the middle. And right there it says home cooking. So this is my other one, and this is, so these are the two that I have made. And I did get this idea from Lyric Lovers Crafters. I love that lady. If you guys have ever wanted to craft in any way, shape, or form, she makes things the easiest and cheapest way you will ever see. So yeah, here are the two of them that I have made so far, and I just want to show them to you guys because like I said, Mother's Day is coming up, and this is the perfect gift because right now some people don't have a lot of money, and a lot of people just have everything and you don't know what the heck to give them. So this is the perfect gift to give people. All right guys, have a great day. Bye.